Hey guys, we've finally got our parts in. Sorry about the lack of uploads, we've just been waiting on parts to come in. So finally we've got a new alternator all the way from Germany, so that took about 2 weeks unfortunately. We've also got a brand new set of wheels that cost us around £360 or $480 for our friends in America. And then also we've got a fan belt all the way from Estonia, so that's why there's been a bit of a lack of uploads, just waiting on parts really. And then finally we bought some new drum brakes, the back wheels. We've got a great deal on these on eBay as well, so hopefully we'll install these as well and get the car running. So we're basically going to take the front end of the car off and hopefully we'll be able to get into there and access the pulleys so we can put the new fan belt on and the new alternator. So we'll do a quick time lapse of us doing that now. I say you cracked it.
No, the bolts that were holding it in were up the top, really. Not there. The fact that
It's yours to lose.
it is now.
Archie!
That was.
You got the front of the car off.
Oh my god!
Fudge!
Stop
With
it!
tea!
Stop it!
Okay.
Oh my god!
This guy, I think he's taking a break. You're sadly mistaken, sir. Right, so we've taken this off, and when I say taken this off, I mean we've grinded every bolt, and it's been a difficult day, but we finally got there, so we can finally, hopefully, get the fan cover off.
This is the new alternator. As you can see, it's literally brand new. It looks amazing. So we're going to fit this.
Okay, so we've got the plug in. So from what I believe, this one here is just to ground it, and this one here is what actually charges the battery. So now we've got those plugged in, we're now going to properly install the alternator. So Archie's now just tightening the screw at the back. That looks really nice, that new alternator.
The alternator's in place now, not going anywhere. Actually quite easy to fit as well, which is nice. I suspect the fan belt won't be so easy, but we'll see. Okay, so now we're going to fit the fan belt. As you can see, it starts here, and then it goes down and round, and then up, and then round, and then down, and then up and round, and then down again.
This man, all he does is drink tea, eat biscuits.
Okay, so fan belt is almost in place. It's a bit too much tension to get it round the last pulley, so what we're going to do is we think there's like a tension release pulley thing, so we're going to undo that and then it should work.
Right, so what we think that is the belt tensioner. So we're going to put a Allen key in it now and try and loosen it so we can get the belt round everything. So we're just loosening the tensioner to get the belt on. I'm praying this works because we've been going all day. So 4.5 hours later, we've got the belt on. The tensioner is down there somewhere. If you have a Jeep Cherokee and you need to change the belt, just sell it. Just don't bother. We've got it on, so now we need to tighten the tensioner and make sure this is tight. Then we're going to try and fire up the car. This is Jeep start attempt 2. Is it turning?
The belt's turned. Do it again. Oh, stop. It's come off one of it's going to come off one of the pulleys. Look.
What's happened?
It's so weird. This is now straightened up, and then this one's been pulled off. Right. Taken the tensioner out, and it's got a crack in it along there, and it's kind of not
Even if you give me, hang on, can you give me a straight? You can kind of see it's a bit bent.
And it's kind of pulling the belt in, and then it's causing this here to come off the pulley at an angle, so it ends up like that, which obviously is not good. So I think we might need a new one of these.
Right, today's been absolutely awful. We tried to put the so we got the alternator in, good. We tried to put the fan belt in, didn't work out. We tried to start the car, fan belt slipped off. It's just been a bloody nightmare. Finding the tensioner has been a nightmare as well. And when we did find it, it's cracked.
Broken. So what? Yeah, we're gonna have to buy a new one.
We already have, we've ordered it.
Already done it.
And then tomorrow we're going to film changing the brakes, so we'll have some content for you. Again, we are sorry about the lack of uploads. Just happens to be that
I don't